need to ask them that question to raise the issue. So I will be looking for some input from you, and Jeremy, right?
75%.
And what I've written up there is I don't have time to do it properly. So what I'll do, I'll give you a few more minutes and I'll just close the room and we'll come back. As I've mentioned, we really want these conversations to be a two-way process. So it's not, and then we can all see it develop as we go. So let me think, James. That might be a really good point. My pleasure. See you again soon.
Thank you.